Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little crazy right now, but I'm doing a tutorial on this halo eye look for you guys using the Morphe 39 Gem S Artistry palette. As you see, mine is very well loved. Also, I am doing a giveaway. The video will be linked down below, and you will need to watch the video to know the rules of the giveaway. I am giving away one of these babies, the Morphe 39s Gem Artistry palette. Not this one, but a brand new one. And I'm super excited about it, and the giveaway will be till July 6th. So you will have time to watch that video. It is not very long at all, and know all the rules for that. And like I said, that will be linked down below. Now let's get started into this tutorial. I just took my beauty blender just in case, because we're using dark colors, and I dipped it in my Maybelline Fit Me, and I just put it around my eyes where I was worried it was going to, if it would mess up the makeup or not. I haven't had too much problem with fallout, but I like to do this just to ensure that there is no fallout under my face makeup, so I don't ruin that. So let's get into it. I'm going to go in with a flat brush, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone using Perfection, which is this gorgeous color right here. This shade, you guys, is perfection, but it's Perfection. And I'm just going to see. It is going to be your favorite go-to highlight for your brow bone and in a corner. See, look at that. And then I'm going to go into Pink Prize, which is this gorgeous pink right there, with my Luxie 229 tapered blending brush. And I'm just going to blend in my crease and my outer third lid. But I'm also going to go in my inner lid, but not in the middle, because I am going to put a different color on that, because this is going to be like a halo type situation. And you just want to build up the color until you get it where you want it. And then I want to go into Purple Majesty, which is this pretty purple right here. And then you're just going to want to blend that over the light Pink Prize. And you want to dab that in again. Go on the outer lid and just kind of like press it in to get the pigment. And then I'm going to go into this, like, well, it says plum, so I guess it's a plum color. I thought it was maroon. It's called Plums Up. And I'm going to go in my inner and outer third lid in my crease. Same situation. We are just building this color until you get it to where you desire the shade that you want. Makeup is all about experimenting. Then I like to take my big fluffy blending brush and just blend out the edges. This is my favorite blending brush. It's from Alamar Cosmetics. It is like everything. It's from in the Ojitos Trios. I love it. Then I'm going to get my No Filter concealer by ColourPop. And I'm just going to line like in the middle of like where my eyeball is. I'm just going to look up. And that's where you want to start your halo eye. And this concealer is so pigmented, you don't need to keep going. Get in with your flat brush. And just pat that on there. And then I'm just going to tap it because it's not drying super fast, because this is meant to like blend in, and you don't want your concealer too wet. This is called Dazzle, and it's right there, right next to Perfection. And I'm going to go in with my finger and swirl it around in there. Pop it on my finger. I love this. It's like a grayish black, like glitter. Like, it's not glitter, but it's like super, super sparkly. It's so gorgeous. And you just want to tap that on until you get it to where you want it. So now I'm going to go in with the Luxie 111 mini flat angled brush. I am going to go into Pink Prize and line my lower lash line. Then I'm going to go into Purple Majesty, and so on and so forth. Just like you're doing the exact steps that you did for the halo eye, that's what you're going to do. After this is Plums Up. With the same brush that I cleaned off, I'm going in with Dazzle. Going to line my lash line, put on some mascara, and pop on my other Lily lashes. Obsessed with Lily lashes, you guys. So I'm going to do all of that, and I will be right back, and we will be done with this look. Okay, guys, this is the final look, but I'm going to show you, because obviously I don't look right? I'm going to show you how I put my lashes on. Lily lashes are bomb, okay? And they're reusable. So I am obsessed with their 3D mink lashes. Obsessed. So what I do is you have to trim them ahead of time until they fit your eye. But I like to bend them, and I'm really weird. So I take my tweezers, and I love Duo glue. I like the black, and I put the glue right there. And then I take my lashes ever so carefully, and I carefully, precisely get the glue on the band of the lashes. Make sure there's enough glue, not too much. So about that. And then I dry them. I usually count, so like 60 seconds to like a minute. You might not even need that. Okay, and then I take a mirror and I hold it and I look down at the mirror and I literally just put it straight on with my fingers. So I'm going to put it on my lash line and align it to my eye. So I like to start off with the middle. See, just like that. And then I press it in to make sure it's gonna last. That duo glue lasts though, like. And there seriously is nothing like Lily lashes. I'm obsessed. And voila, that's how I put my lashes on. I'm weird. And that's the final look, you guys. So this is the end of this look. So pretty, so glam. This was with the 39s Gem Artistry palette. This is amazing. Love this palette. Again, I'm doing a giveaway and the video will be linked down. This palette is so amazing. So I hope you guys like this tutorial today, and I hope you guys get in on that giveaway. It's amazing. Go watch that video. Go like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions or anything you want to tell me. I will comment back to you. I just won't comment on the giveaway video because I don't want to mess up anybody's chances. That's the only reason I'm not commenting back. So I love you guys. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.